Amazingly delicious roasted pepper sauce, which you can enjoy with many ways. Also very similar in taste to Nandos Peri Peri Sauce. Let's make it. Bismillah. Roast 1 big whole red pepper and garlic on high flame. Place it into Ziploc bag. Peel the charred skin and stem from pepper and garlic. Add to electric blender. Quarter cup of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon crushed red pepper, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ cup of dried small red peppers or bird's eye peppers, quarter cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, or accordingly, 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Blend till smooth. Note: you can always reduce or increase peppers and lemon juice according to your preference. Fill in the jar. Keep it in the refrigerator for 1 month, or in freezer up to 6 months. Use as a condiment, or you can also use as a marination for chicken, fish, different types of meats or vegetables. In 1 pound of chicken, meat or vegetables, add quarter cup of roasted pepper sauce and ½ teaspoon of salt if needed. Mix well. Grill or bake on 450 Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.